So we got some goodness from Mr. Hare. He asked for this glossy gray frame on the GONZO 3K motor. Let's go ahead and do the sweep. Change this to 13. The mass on it, FS is looking at 25 Hertz, 24.9. QTS is 0.60. And this is a single 2 ohm GONZO Junior coil. There we go. And the VAS is looking at 3.8. So again, just because the VAS is 3.8 doesn't mean you have to put it in a 3.8 foot enclosure. That's only if you want to get down to 25 Hertz, okay? So I would recommend a tuning frequency of around 33 and about a 3.5 cubic foot box should be plenty. It'll be very boomy. The large motor and lots of electricity will be very punchy, especially if you use one of those full bridge amps. So that helps. Thanks, Justin. We'll be shipping this out today. Love you guys. Thanks.